So you want to get into coding, but are unsure what programming language to learn first. My advice? You should pick the language you will stick to. You might hear that you need to start with learning C because it exposes you to the fundamental programming concepts like memory management and so on. But unless you like suffering, you will probably feel demotivated by C's complex syntax and give up learning to code altogether. So take something that is easy and enjoyable to learn. So which language should you learn first? If you are interested in data analytics and artificial intelligence, go for Python. It is known for its simplicity and clear syntax that reads like plain English, making it easy to learn for beginners. Furthermore, it is versatile with use in data science, machine learning, as well as web applications and much more. Overall, Python is a great choice for beginners. If you want to create web applications, go for JavaScript. It is in high demand in the job market, and by learning HTML and CSS first, you can build beautiful websites that will look great on your portfolio. If you want to develop iOS apps, consider Swift. And if you want to build Android apps, Java will be your best choice. Lastly, if you are interested in game development, go for C#, which is often used with game development frameworks like Unity for creating games across various platforms, including PC, consoles, and mobile devices. Also, keep in mind that your choice isn't set in stone. Learning to code is about seeing patterns, problem solving, and understanding data structures and algorithms, and not about mastering one language. As you learn and grow, you will discover that transitioning between languages becomes easier. So don't stress too much about the perfect language. Dive in, explore, and enjoy the journey of becoming a coder. After all, it's not just about the destination, it's about the incredible journey of discovery and creation.